Hi everybody. A version of this video is available on my Substack newsletter, The Metaverse is Open. I'll leave a link in the description. ChatGPT is the fastest growing software application in the history of the world. Some are saying ChatGPT is the most complex set of software engineering ever made. I'm not sure about that claim. The internet and the web are an amazing set of technical protocols that have enabled ChatGPT. The elegant simplicity of the web is transparent to most people. Likewise, the complexity behind ChatGPT is unknown to most. Like the internet, ChatGPT just works. The core technology behind ChatGPT is in its name, GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Less known are the letters LLM for Large Language Model. For most people, the letters GPT and LLM might signify something important, but will remain largely no more understood than the letters HTTP or HTML that most people see and use every day. LLMs build a representation, a model of the world by processing a massive amount of textual information, in other words, language. LLMs are enabled through a computing architecture known as neural networks. For this video, let's set aside the lengthy technical discussion of deep learning in neural networks for another time. Future forms of AI later this century may build their mechanisms on foundations other than LLMs. But for the next decade, probably the next 20 years, LLMs are the foundational aspect of what AI knows about our world. There are many limiting factors today, like the text-only nature of these models. Multimodal models, incorporating audio and video, are in development. Another factor contributing significantly to what AI knows about the world through LLMs is human feedback. Much of the value that makes ChatGPT appear so compelling is enabled the human input that has enhanced the responses and behavior of the system. Let's step back and think about LLMs and text. This is a discussion not only for computer scientists and software engineers. Students and scholars of the humanities have vast insight that's needed in shaping the future of AI. Humans, through the last few hundred years, have largely come to understand the world through reading text. How do we, as humans, understand the world around us? Or we can remove ourselves and ask, how do animals understand the world? And to clarify that, I mean non-human animals. Animals do not have access to Wikipedia. Animals are not using the internet. Monkeys are not walking into the library and doing research. Wolves are not reading books. And cats are not watching movies and documentaries. Well, some cats are. Animals watch each other. Young animals learn by observing their parents. Based on their sensory perception, animals develop an understanding of their world. Humans also learn by observing, though the dominant method for humans to gain knowledge is through language. Concepts expressed through words are communicated through speech and written down as text. Long before computers, we systematized knowledge in books. An educated person was synonymous with a well-read person. A person who read a lot of books is considered intelligent. A person who reads deeply on a subject has the knowledge to analyze a problem and identify solutions. Analytical and problem-solving skills increase with experience gained from observing best practices, and the behavior of more experienced people in unusual situations and edge cases in the specified domain of work. Knowledgeable people can recommend what to do next based on the patterns that they have seen or their prior experience and their depth of reading in the literature in their field. Our actions as people are based on recognizing patterns. Often we have flaws in our thought processes caused by biases, skewed assumptions, and errors in what we have learned. Of course, how the brain works is tremendously complex, and I'm skimming over extensive areas of studying neuroscience. The takeaways for consideration: our choices as people in making decisions or taking action are based on our perceived probability that we are making the correct decision based on our experiences and what we know. Our knowledge is how we understand the world, and actions we take next are statistical calculations based on our experiences. How does AI differ? As humans, we get a lot wrong. Human expertise is expected to get things right, though the experts are not always correcting everything within their area of expertise. With machines, we aspire for a higher probability of accuracy than from our fellow humans. For critical matters of health and engineering, for example, we have certifications and checkpoints that attempt to strengthen the quality of work done by those people. With machines, there will exist, for certain tasks, regulations and standards that certify specific machine applications as meeting a specified level of accuracy. A new industry and career opportunities are emerging to ensure AI responsibility. On the day I'm recording this video, April 11th, 2023, an agency of the U.S. government, the National Telecommunications and Information Administration, yes, that's something you probably think about every day, right? The NTIA, issued an RFC, that's a request for comments about AI accountability. That RFC is worth a read. I'll be taking a longer look at it and looking forward to reading the public comments and proposals for the evolving policy issues. In the meantime, enjoy creating AI images and whatever else you are pursuing with AI.